Hello, I'm Alex. We are here to go through the steps to install the latest version of Python on Windows together. Without further ado, let's get started. Okay, before doing anything, we open the python.org website and go to Downloads tab. When Downloads tab is open, you just click Download Python 3.1237 and click on Start Download. When download finish, you can open. Okay, you just check this and this, then install now. Okay, finish install and then click on close. Okay, now to check if the program is installed on Windows, simply press the Windows key plus R. Windows key plus R on your keyboard, and in this Windows type CMD. Windows key plus R. Then show these tabs. You just type CMD and then click OK. OK. In this section, in the open command prompt, type Python version, then click on enter. Now, as you can see, the version that you have installed on your system will be displayed, and you can now use it. Just see and finish. If you enjoyed the tutorial I provide, I would appreciate it if you could subscribe below this post and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our new videos. Thank you.